Hello, dear students. Hope you are fine. In today's lesson, we'll be learning about the basics of algebra, which is of factorization. And factorization basics we'll be learning, but we'll be factorizing using HCF method. So let's see how we'll be factorizing using HCF method. So this is a question number 1. You can see here, factorize 2x plus 6y using basic factorization. So we are factorizing. We'll be writing 2x plus 6y, and then we'll be looking for the number which is factorizing or which is dividing both 2 and 6. So obviously this is 2 is there, so we'll be dividing by 2. So 2 ones are 2x and x remains the same, plus, and 2 how many times is 6? It's obviously 3. Yes, you're right. And y. Now we can see that there is no more common is there. So that is why 2 will remain outside of the bracket and the rest is 1x. So rather than writing 1x, we'll be writing x plus 3y. So this is the factorization of 2x plus 3 and 6y, which is in the form of 2 bracket x plus 3y bracket close. Similar, we'll be doing the same method for 4a plus 6b. Now, the same is here, 4a plus 6b, and we'll be looking for the number which is dividing both 4 and 6. Yes, you're right, 2 is there. So 2 2s are 4, a remains the same, plus 2 3s are 6, and b remains the same. No more further division is possible, no common divisor, so that's why 2 will become outside and then bracket, and the rest of the terms remain the same. So 2a plus 3b and bracket close. And this will be your answer of factorization. Now coming to the next question, there is 6x plus 18y, and we are factorizing using same HCF methods. So we'll be looking for 2. Yes, 2 is common divisor, so we'll be dividing by 2. Yes, previously we had done 2 3s are 6 and x, plus 2 9s are 18 and then y. Still we can see that there is a common divisor for both 3 and 9, which is 3. Yes, so we'll be dividing by 3. 3 ones are 3 and x, plus 3 3s are 9 and then y. No more common divisor is there, so that's why we will be writing here as 2 times 3, and the bracket 1x will be written as x plus 3y. So it becomes as 6 times of bracket x plus 3y, and this is your factorization. Similarly, using the same method, we are applying on 24ab minus 36cd. So we are using 24ab minus 36cd, and then we'll be looking for the number which is dividing both. Obviously, this is 2. Yes. So 2 12s are 24. AB is there. Minus 2 18s are 36. CD. And still this is divisible by 2. Okay. We are dividing 2 6 are 12. AB. Minus 2 9s are 18. CD. Again, we'll be looking that first one is divisible by 2, but that's not the second one. But both the numbers are divisible by 3. So we'll be dividing by 3. So 3 2s are 6. AB minus 3 3s are 9. CD. So no more common divisor is there. So that's why we'll be writing 2 times 2 times 3. And in the bracket, this will be of 2AB minus 3CD. Or After multiplication, we'll get it as 12 and in the bracket 2ab minus 3cd. And this is your complete factorization, which is your answer. Now, extending this to the variable, you can see here the number is here, which is of 12xy minus 30y square. Rather than writing y square, we'll be writing this as 30y times y. The purpose for writing this is to make it simplify after simplification, after cancellation. So we'll be learning it further that how it is beneficial for us. Let's see now. 12xy. What the number which is dividing both of the number 12 and 30, which is 2. Okay, 2, 6 or 12xy minus 15y. Okay, now we can see that 3 is a common divisor, so we'll be dividing by 3. 3 2s are 6 xy minus 3 5s are 15 y. Now, no more common divisor except there is a variable. You can see here the variable y is common in both of them. So it means if we'll be dividing by y, it can also be common, taken as common. So we'll be dividing by y. So it gives us 2x, y cancels, minus 5y, second y cancels, no more common number and no more common variable. So that's why this will give us 2 times 3 times y, and in the bracket there is 2x minus 5y. Or we can say it as 6y and 2x minus 5y. This is your factorization and this is your answer. Similarly, in the last example I'm writing here, there are 3 terms. So applying the same method for 3 terms is the same. 6x square y, we can write it as xxy minus 4xyz plus 18x z square means z. Now, using the HCF method for finding the factors, so 2 is a common divisor, so we are dividing by 2. 2 3s are 6 x x y minus 2 2s are 4 x y z is the same plus 2 9s are 18 x z z. Now no more common variable number is divisible, but there is a common variable. So we'll be looking at what is the common variable. So you can see here x is common in all of the terms. So that's why we'll be taking x as common and then we'll be dividing. So this x cancels, we have 3xy. And in this second term, x cancels, so we get negative 2yz. And the third term, x cancel, we get plus 9zz. And now no more variable is common and no more number is common. So that's why we have the number as an answer as 2 times x. In the bracket, there is 3xy minus 2yz plus 9zz. And we can write zz as z square now. So we'll be writing 2 times x is 2x, 3xy minus 2yz plus 9z square. So this is your factorization, which is your answer. Hope you understand. If you have any problem, any query, you may ask me. So thank you so much. Bye.